of mine. I've left the memories behind. Wanna start a new life, but it seems to be rather absurd.